Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Steinbach, Manitoba, a vibrant and welcoming city located in the southeastern part of the province. As the third largest city in Manitoba, Steinbach offers a unique blend of small-town charm and urban amenities, making it an attractive destination for both residents and visitors. Steinbach was founded in 1874 by German-speaking Mennonite settlers who were drawn to the area by the promise of fertile land and the opportunity to build a new life. The city's name, which means Stone Brook in German, reflects the natural beauty of the region, with its gently rolling hills and picturesque landscapes. Today, Steinbach is proud of its Mennonite heritage, and this influence is evident in the city's culture, architecture, and way of life. The area around Steinbach is known for its rich agricultural land, and farming has always been a vital part of the local economy. As you explore the city, you'll see vast fields and family-owned farms that have been passed down through generations. The city is just a short drive from Winnipeg, providing residents with the best of both worlds, the tranquility of small-town life and the excitement of the big city. The surrounding area is rich in natural beauty, with parks, trails, and outdoor spaces perfect for exploring and enjoying the great outdoors. Whether you're visiting for the first time or considering making Steinbach your home, you'll find a city that is rich in history, culture, and community spirit.